This is Matthew Lefebvre. The purpose of this video is to present the first enhancement assignment. Now I'm going to do that by first showing the template that I built. It is responsive and comes complete with navigation, header, and footer, and mirrors the same look and feel as the template shown us in the enhancement exercise on iLearn. My code for that, I used brackets, is this block of HTML. As you can see, template is a .php file, and I have modularized both my header, my navigation, and footer. It is ACME template. Now, I also like to make it aware that all these links and pictures have appropriate titles and alt attributes attached to them for usability. Next, I have built the home page. Notice that it uses the same content as the template does with the footer. One thing that was not clear to me, that was rather interesting, was the fact that in the screenshot or the pictures of the template and the home page, there is no help button and a little question mark symbol like there is in the Brother Robertson's video, which I won't play, but it's there. And I also noticed that from what I could see, it wasn't included inside of the files that were given to us in the assets for this assignment. So I did not add it. This homepage is also completely responsive. There is one difference between Brother Robertson's your layout choice and mine. That is the fact that when it is in a mobile view or a mobile version, the featured recipes are on top of the reviews, and I just structured mine that way. I find that in websites, when you encounter the products first and then find the reviews, I think that's just a little more effective, but I'm sure it'll go under your, it really doesn't matter. Everything is responsive to a T. Just to illustrate that more, it is responsive. The logo and these navigation links are responsive as well. All of these pictures as well have your said titles and links for have the titles and the alt statements as well. And just one moment, make sure I'm getting everything. Alright, we'll look over our code a little bit more just to finish up. This is the home PHP file. Here, I have a few other folders in my htdocs, but in the ACME folder I have my modules under the folder named Common with footer, header, and navigation. All of those have their said code in them. I am using dynamic PHP here to create the date that is inside of the footer. At the base of my my ACME folder, I have my home, which is where it was specified to be. The template, however, was not specified to be in any particular folder, so I also have it at the root of my directory for ACME. And as you guys can see, I have my HTML structure class names, the content that was given, and my CSS is under the CSS folder. I just am using lots of different styles here. Things to point out is I have several media queries: 450, 650, 720, and 1000 pixel width for media queries, and I'm applying all those things. And just to make sure that it all checks out and it validates, validate local CSS. Congratulations, no errors. Also validate local HTML. Notice only warnings for not putting headings on my several sections. Also, to finish this up, my headings start, there's an H1, then down the way there is, oh, oops, I'm kind of lost here. H1. Sorry about that, had a knock at the door. But just, I already showed you guys my H1, welcome. There's another H2 down here, and just to go along with that, I have an H3 and another H3. So the heading structure is according to what we want. And that is it for my presentation. Sorry it was a little bit long, but you'll see some subtle differences in styling kind of things. I used Flexbox for this navigation instead of doing everything inline. It was just easier for me, but it basically looks the exact same. So thank you so much for watching, and hope this helps in the grading process.